Where are we going today, Eileen?
We're going to the Atlixico Garibaldi restaurant.
Are we really?
Yeah.
Are we trying to tease the Mexicans?
We are, I don't know.
Or no, we wouldn't do such a thing.
A lot of little inflatable soccer balls are cute. They didn't take their chart out, so I don't feel bad for not taking ours down yet.
Still there. Mira, Mari, todavía tienen ellos lo de la copa.
Tampoco, mira, la han quitado. Those are better.
Where's the vegetarian side in this? I don't approve of this.
I'm okay.
What are you having?
I don't know yet.
Okay, we'll get back to you.
Having some real food here. For once.
Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom. Nom 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 nom.
Stop.
I want to see you eat. Want more water?
No, I'm good. I know what you want me to say and I'm not gonna say it.
The aftermath.
I didn't.
Esas llamadas que hacen, esas son las que roban.
Sí.
What was that?
What were you looking at?
Let's try something else.
This is
Kyle.
sunset.
Let's do sunset. No, step out. Wait, are we allowed to step back in?
Yeah, dude, look, it's good. It's good. Ready?
Qué diferente saben ustedes.
Ahora sí. Francia. Estamos en Francia.
Ready? Okay, yeah.
Listo.
Yes.
Hold on, hold on. Okay.
Bueno.
Let's take a picture of. Did you take one shit too? And they have the machines going. Oh yeah, it's this one.
It's not specifically this one.
It's this one.
It's specifically that one?
Yeah.
Like that's the one they use?
That's the one they use.
Oh, okay, got
It's in
it.
a professional journal.
No, that's what you need.
Yeah, for all the work I do and stuff.
For your doctor's appointments and whatnot.
Yeah, I like a laptop.
Don't you have one of those already?
I do, but I want with a light now.
I was gonna say.
Or
Those are cute. Buy those.
I don't need.
Buy me school supplies.
I bought this last year.
Can you say that again?
I bought you school supplies last year.
Ouch. What was it? I was a $1.99 notebook
Yeah,
from One Direction and the 99. I don't have it because it broke into pieces after a while.
Oh, you probably should take better care of your stuff now than shouldn't you?
Bought you school supplies last. Y los pens? Nada que ver.
They last more than. Sure, vlog.
I'm vlogging.
Oh,
I was recording him, but you couldn't wait.
my bad. Hey, we're in my car listening to some nice guitar.
It's doing pretty good. That's a Stratter 2000.
Quisiera que la Gaby y la Charo fueran como un videíto así, porque se pusieran de toda ropa.
Estoy tratando, mamá. Se tarda.
Para placas como hay ropa.
There you go. You gonna dry your hands there?
Nah, go for it.
Hey hands?
What?
Hey hands? Very nice! Very nice! What are we doing today? What are we doing?
Treating my family to a fancy dinner. Lunch, actually. Brunch. It's brunch. Fancy brunch. Having the most. Con un vaso de vino.
Está bueno.
Eileen, how was lunch?
Fantastic.
So he accidentally dropped his stick. And by he, I mean we. When we were trying to change his water. Ashley, what should we do? How do we put it back?
Yeah, he really
Without
wants a stick.
dying.
He moved it. It was like completely on the ground and he moved it in that direction.
To get it out of the way.
Ahí.
Perfect.
Ahí está perfecto.
Quítale el muñeco. There you go. ¿Dónde se fue la pita?
It's right there. On the
Where's
gourmet
it?
food.
Oh.
Tiene miedo.
Papi, yeah.
Hold on, he's trying to fix the thing. Oh, he's scared.
Oh.
Hold the camera. Tengo que ponerle la
Yay, he got a stick back. There, Yoshi.
cosa. I like to scrapbook every now and then. You know, for memory. This is from Next Big Thing. This is from War Tour. This is from Guatemala. This is from Grand Turk. Oops. This is from Cozumel. This is still from Cozumel. I'm not done yet, obviously. Anywho, oh wait, let me take my drink because I'm going to go outside for a minute so I can finish this vlog. This is Eileen. Oh, I'm working on this Galaxy guitar. Okay, this is Eileen. I got this new doggy door, so, you know, take the pest out. Did we record the bird at all today?
I don't know.
Hi. 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 Hi.
Hi.
Okay, that's it.
Okay, well.
Hi, Mickey.
Mickey.
Say hi to the Mexicans. He's very curious about the bird.
Always looking at him.
Look at that.
What's that? It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a bird.
Mickey. Okay, that's enough.
You had enough. Okay.
All right, so this is the end of vlog 2, I believe, or vlog 3. I don't even know where we're at. We haven't done a single vlog.
Well, vlog 1 was eliminated.
By accident. Anywho, I'm gonna put this up right now and hopefully finish it. Here's Shakeology. Drink this every morning for a good diet.
You really don't.
What else can we show her? Here's our fridge.
Panera.
Leftover Panera drink. Leftover Slurpee.
Show her the ice cream.
We got slow turned ice cream. Chicken quesadillas that no one eats because they're so unhealthy.
I don't eat the ice cream either. That's all you, babe.
Favorite Boca Burgers, original vegan veggie powder. Let's check the calories on this. Yeah, focus.
Focus.
70 calories, really good stuff. Some more original chicken. These are really, really good. I recommend them. Tomato and basil pizza burger, Morningstar Farms. Really good brand if you're a vegetarian like
Café
yourself.
Bustelo, siempre fresco, puro y aromático como ninguno, envasado al vacío, 100% café puro. Café Bustelo. Yeah.
Say bye to vlog 2.
Well, goodbye. I'll see ya.
Peace, keys.